Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I got a nice, smooth line dance for you. The music is so beautiful, guys, and is perfect for beginners, beginners friendly, and intermediate. Y'all gonna like it because you can sit back, chill with it, and just enjoy the music. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in dancing along with me to this music, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, guys, please meet me here. Let's mess it up in soul line dancing and myself here in New Orleans at the four-day line dance weekend NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. We're getting ready right now. You can book your room right now. And we roll out registration June 1st of this year, 2023. That's right, we're getting ready for next year. It'll be here before you know it. So go to our website for all the details, www.LMIUNOLA.com. So I'll see you there. So are y'all guys ready? So this dance here is a one-wall dance. So let's go. So I want you to stand on this side of the room, facing in this direction. So stand over here and face in this direction. So we're going to start with a drunken sailor. The weight is on your left. So you step behind, step, step behind, step, step, which is starting on the right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. That's a drunken sailor. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Out, left, out, right. Okay, that's what we add. Out, left, out, right, and. Okay, so let's go back to the top. 5, 6, 7, drunken sailor. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and. So on and on. Out, turn, lift. Left shoulder go forward, quarter turn. Out and lift. Okay? So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, and. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, out, and lift. So let me give you the count. 5, 6, 7, and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm sorry. 5, 6, 7, and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I had to think about the music to give you the tempo. Instructors, when you count, it gives you the rhythm and the tempo of the dance, okay? So that's why I had to think about the music. 5, 6, 7, and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Are you ready to go on? Let's add on. So my left leg is up. I'm going to go into a weave step. 1 and 2 and 3 and. So I go to my left, lift, and step on my left. Step behind, step, front, step, step, step. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4 is on the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? So when you come down, you're going to step behind, step, front, step, back, step. Okay? From here, our left shoulder is going to go forward. And we're going to paddle. And I'm going to make a 3/4 turn right here. I'm going here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 with my heel up. Okay, so I go out, in, out, in, out, in, out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the travel step was 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Right here. So my shoulder go forward, 3/4 turn. Because I'm going into that weave step. And shoulder come forward, 3/4 turn. So wherever my right shoulder is, that's where I'm going, but I'm going forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? So out, in, out, in, out, in, out. That's what I'm doing. So let's add that. So review, we go to the weave step, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, out 5, 6, out 7, turn 8. Go into our weave step and then the paddle. 3/4 turn with the right shoulder going forward, okay? So from here, it's really the wall behind you, okay? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and weave. 1 and, no, I'm sorry, drunken sailor. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, out 5. 6, out 7, turn 8. Weave. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, paddle. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that paddle is out, 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 in, out. The weave is on, the weight is on your left leg. It's on your left leg. And you're coming on the ball of your feet as you paddle around. Paddle. That heel comes up. Paddle. Okay? From here, we made our 3/4 turn forward. We're gonna, and when you do that, I want your right heel is up as you paddle around. Paddle, 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 paddle. That heel is up at all times, okay? Because when you get here, you're gonna step on that right. If your heel is up, you don't have to think about it. So you step scuff, left, right, scuff, left, right. And the heel is up again. Heel is up. So I start with my heel up and I'm going to end with my heel up. So I step forward. Step, scuff, left, right, scuff, left, right. Okay? So step forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yes. From here, my right foot is up and back, and up and back, like a rocking chair. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And use both sides. Don't just go up, back, up. Don't do that. Because you paddle around, that weight it was on that left, so you need to release that pressure. So you go right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay? Let's add that. We almost done. Drunken sailor. Tap out, 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 turn, lead, lift, weave. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. There go that paddle. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Step on that right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Rocking chair. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Which last step will be on the left, okay? And we're going to add on to that. And we're almost there. Okay, here we go. Drunken sailor. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Out. 5, 6, out. 7, turn 8. Weave. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Paddle. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Rocket chair. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, from here, you're going to shuffle right, shuffle left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Easy enough, right? Here you go, back to your wall. One wall dance. Dip right. Left shoulder go forward, half turn, dip left. End of dance, my weight is on my left, My right heel is up. I step forward on my right, rocking chair. Yeah, I'm going to go over it again. So I'm just dipping. I'm dipping to the right and I'm dipping to the left. But when I dip to the left, my left shoulder come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I did, dip, tap, lift. Don't move your feet. Okay? So I did, let's do that step, scuff. Step, scuff, left, right, up and back. Up and back and up and back. Shuffle right, right, left, dip, tap, dip, turn. So it's 1, 2, turn, 3, 4. Tap it down on your right. Okay? And that's your left shoulder coming forward, half turn. That's how you get back to your wall. Okay? And it's a one-wall dance. Music is beautiful. Now let's go through it. Drunken sailor. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Paddle 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Step right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Rock the chair. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Dip 5. Tap 6. Turn 7, 8. Yes, you got it. You got it. Let's do it again. So, let me go over the steps again. Okay, we're going to walk through it. Drunken sailor. Right, left, right, out, and lift. Weave. Step behind, step front, step behind, step, paddle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 3/4 turn. Right heel up. Step, scuff, left, right, scuff, left, right. Up and back. Right, left, right. And when you come back, come up, you're going to step on that left to go shuffle. Right, left. Last step is on your left. Dip right, tap left, turn forward with your left shoulder coming forward, and dip. And you start over. Okay? So, let's put it to, you got the steps, I'm going to count it out for you. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, drunken sailor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, turn 8. Weave 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, paddle 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the dance. Shades 7. SHADES 7. Okay? So I will pin the demo at the end. Let's dance together. Share this video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And if you have not subscribed, you need to do so. Also, please, I want to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You can book your room right now, and registration opens June 1st, 2023. Go to our website for detailed information, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.